In this video, we'll explore the Database Access Manager module, which enables secure and controlled access to target databases. To begin, the Kron PM administrator adds a new database server. This involves entering the IP address of the target server, specifying a device name, selecting the appropriate access protocol, and identifying the device type. Once the server is added, the administrator can proceed to add a database to this server. Administrator enters database or service name, then enters username and password of database to fetch metadata. Administrator can check connectivity to target database. To ensure connectivity to the target databases via Kron PAM, a port must be configured for each database server. This can either be set automatically or manually, depending on your requirements. Next, the administrator adds or edits a user group that will connect to the target database. This allows for tailored access controls to be applied based on group-level configurations. Once the user groups are defined, the administrator moves on to creating policies. The administrator creates a black key policy to block specific SQL queries. A masking policy is then added to protect sensitive data, ensuring that users cannot view sensitive data directly. The next step is to create a policy group where previously defined policy keys, such as black key and masking policies, are added for streamlined management. With policies and user groups in place, the administrator creates a realm. This realm links user groups with target databases and enforces the defined policies during database access. Now, let's see how an end user connects to the target database using a native SQL client. The user enters the Kron PAM address as the connection address, provides the necessary database information, and specifies the port number configured on Kron PAM for this target server. Once the connection is established, the user can run queries on the target database. If the query is allowed, the user receives the appropriate output from the target server. If the query is blocked by a black key policy, the user sees an error message indicating that the query has been blocked by Kron PAM. Additionally, when a user runs a query involving sensitive data, the data is automatically masked by Kron PAM, preventing unauthorized access to confidential information. Finally, the Kron PAM administrator can review session logs. These logs provide a detailed record of queries executed on the target database and queries that were blocked by Kron PAM. This robust monitoring ensures complete visibility into database activity and enhances security.